Have you ever wondered how your digital assistant knows the answer to your queries, or how self-driving cars navigate through traffic? Every day, we interact with artificial intelligence in ways we might not even realize. From the simple task of recommending a movie to watch, to complex tasks like predicting weather patterns, AI is deeply embedded in our daily lives. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always learning and constantly improving. But what makes these intelligent systems so, well, intelligent? The answer lies in a process called AI planning and decision-making. This is the secret sauce that enables machines to process information, generate plans, and make informed decisions. It's the driving force behind the intelligent systems that are shaping our world. So how do these machines make decisions? Let's delve into the fascinating world of AI decision-making. Imagine you're a robot, tasked with organizing a room. Where do you start? This is where AI planning comes into play. AI planning is a fascinating field that explores how artificial intelligence can formulate a strategy or a plan of action to achieve a desired outcome. It's like the machine's equivalent of a human's daily to-do list, except it's a lot more complex. At the heart of AI planning are algorithms, which are like recipes for machines to follow. These algorithms help the machine navigate the intricate web of potential actions it could take to reach its goal. Some of these algorithms might sound like they're straight out of a sci-fi movie: strips, graph plan, and heuristic-based planners. But don't be fooled by the fancy names. These algorithms are all about breaking down a complex task into manageable steps, much like how you'd tackle organizing that room. STRIPS, for instance, stands for Stanford Research Institute Problem Solver. It's a planning system that uses logical representations to break down a problem into simpler sub-problems, enabling the machine to conjure up an effective plan of action. Graph plan, on the other hand, is a graph-based planning algorithm. This means it visualizes the problem as a graph, making it easier for the machine to see the connections between different actions and outcomes. And let's not forget about heuristic-based planners. These algorithms use heuristics or rules of thumb to guide the planning process. It's like having a trusted advisor whispering in the machine's ear, nudging it in the right direction. But remember, AI planning isn't just about creating a plan, it's also about flexibility and adaptation. If something unexpected happens, the machine needs to be able to adjust its plan on the fly, much like how you might need to adapt your day's schedule if something unexpected comes up. In essence, AI planning is about devising a roadmap for achieving a goal, much like planning your day. But instead of organizing a room or planning a day, these machines could be navigating a drone through a forest, guiding an autonomous vehicle through city streets, or even managing a company's resources. The possibilities are endless, and that's the beauty of AI planning. Now that you've planned your actions, how do you decide which one to take? This is where the magic of decision-making in artificial intelligence comes into play. It's not about random choices or guesswork. It's a systematic process, driven by specific strategies and algorithms. Let's start with decision trees. Picture a tree with branches representing choices, and each leaf symbolizing an outcome. The AI navigates this tree, evaluating each possible path to identify the most beneficial outcome. It's like playing a game of chess, where every move can lead to a myriad of subsequent possibilities. The AI must analyze each potential scenario to make the best move. Now imagine teaching a machine to play a video game. Here, reinforcement learning comes into the picture. It's a type of machine learning where an AI agent learns to make decisions by interacting with its environment. The agent takes an action, receives feedback, positive or negative, and adjusts its strategy accordingly. It's a trial and error process, akin to a child learning to walk. The AI stumbles, falls, picks itself up, learns from its mistakes, and gradually improves its performance. But how does the AI determine what's best? It uses a reward system. Each action leads to a reward or penalty. The goal is to maximize the total reward. Just picture a mouse in a maze, sniffing out cheese. The closer it gets to the cheese, the stronger the scent. In a similar way, the AI is guided by the potential reward of each action. And remember, AI doesn't have the luxury of unlimited time. It can't ponder over every single option like a philosopher. It must make quick, efficient decisions. That's where heuristic search strategies come in. These are rules of thumb that help the AI estimate the best path without having to explore every single option. It's like using a compass instead of wandering aimlessly in search of a destination. So AI decision-making is about choosing the best action based on the available information. It's a fascinating blend of careful planning, strategy, and learning from experience. And it's this ability to make informed decisions that makes AI not just intelligent, but truly smart. Now, let's see these concepts in action. Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, drones deliver parcels, and robots perform complex tasks. This is not science fiction, but the reality of today, made possible by AI planning and decision-making. Autonomous vehicles, for instance, use these techniques to navigate busy streets, avoid obstacles, and determine the most efficient routes. Through a combination of sensor data and predictive modeling, they make split-second decisions about speed, direction, and braking, ensuring passenger safety and optimal traffic flow. On the digital battlefield of video games, AI opponents are becoming more strategic and adaptive thanks to planning and decision-making algorithms. These algorithms allow game characters to analyze their environment, formulate plans, and make decisions that challenge even the most skilled human players. From finding the shortest path to a target in a maze game, to devising complex battle strategies in a real-time strategy game, AI brings a new level of dynamism and unpredictability to the gaming experience. In the realm of business and finance, AI planning and decision-making are transforming the way companies operate. For instance, strategic planning tools use AI to analyze market trends, predict future scenarios, and recommend optimal business strategies. Resource allocation algorithms help companies distribute their resources effectively, maximizing productivity and minimizing costs. Decision support systems use AI to analyze complex data sets, evaluate possible outcomes, and provide decision makers with valuable insights. Even in the face of uncertainty, AI proves its mettle. Consider stock market prediction, where AI employs techniques like Markov decision processes to analyze historical data, model uncertainties, and predict future trends. Or consider disaster response scenarios, where AI helps plan efficient evacuation routes, taking into account varying degrees of risk and uncertainty. As you can see, AI planning and decision-making have far-reaching applications, from self-driving cars to strategic business decisions. The concepts we've discussed are not just theoretical, but are actively shaping the world around us, making it smarter, more efficient, and more exciting. So, what does the future hold for AI decision-making? Let's delve into the realm of possibilities and project into a future where artificial intelligence is even more entwined with our daily lives. Emerging trends suggest a future where AI planning and decision-making are seamlessly integrated with machine learning. This fusion will enable AI systems to learn from their past actions and outcomes, refining their decision-making abilities over time. Imagine a world where your AI assistant not only learns your daily routine, but also anticipates potential disruptions and adjusts plans accordingly. But the story doesn't end there. The future of AI decision-making also includes the advent of quantum computing. With its incredible processing power, quantum computers could run complex algorithms at breathtaking speeds, making decision-making for AI systems more efficient and accurate than ever before. In the realm of business and finance, AI's capability to make informed decisions could revolutionize strategic planning and resource allocation. Imagine AI systems that can predict market trends with uncanny accuracy, guiding businesses to make optimal investments. In healthcare, AI could make decisions that save lives. Picture an AI system that can analyze a patient's symptoms, medical history, and the latest medical research to suggest the best course of treatment. However, this future isn't without its challenges. As AI systems become more autonomous in their decision-making, ethical considerations become paramount. Who is responsible when an AI makes a wrong decision? How do we ensure that AI systems respect human rights and values? These are some of the questions that we, as a society, will need to address. But despite these challenges, the potential benefits of advanced AI decision-making are too significant to be ignored. With careful planning and regulation, AI has the potential to revolutionize our world in ways we can't even imagine today. In the future, AI planning and decision-making will become even more sophisticated, opening up new possibilities and challenges. So, as we stand on the brink of this exciting frontier, one thing is clear: the future of AI decision-making is a journey that we are just beginning. So, we've taken a whirlwind tour of AI planning and decision-making. We dive deep into the complexities of planning algorithms, from strips to graph plan and beyond. We explored the strategic elements of decision-making, revealing how decision trees and reinforcement learning shape the choices of our artificial counterparts. We saw Markov decision processes and heuristic search in action, modeling uncertainty and optimizing decisions in an often unpredictable world. We observed the real-world effects of these AI capabilities in autonomous systems, gaming, business, and finance. And we peeked into the future, where machine learning and AI work together to create even more intelligent systems. It's clear that AI planning and decision-making are integral to our world, driving efficiency and strategic thinking in countless industries. Remember, as AI continues to evolve, so too will its ability to plan and make decisions. It's an exciting time to be alive.